Guys, welcome back to Slime Rancher 2. Let's just get back in like always. And so, today we are gonna go to the volcano place, because I don't think we've explored there that much. Or have we? I don't think so. Let's see. Nope, not at all. Well, I guess we found that guy. But I haven't got any of this. So yeah. Let's go check that out. We still have the hunter slimes and the flutter slimes. And we got these guys last time. So yeah. I say let's just get out there. Oh no, we do have a butter. Okay. You don't see any of that. You didn't see anything. Alright, I guess let's just head to the volcano. Alright, we're here. So, where should we go? Over here, maybe? What is over here? Oh, I don't know. Let's see. Oh. Well, found one of those. Medium pink coral columns. Alright. Oh, that's cool. Nice little water place. Anything else? I think that's it just from here. Alright. Oh, no. What's up there? Okay. Where can I parkour from? Go here. To not there. And fall. Alright. Okay. Let's see here. I don't know. Okay. Go from here. Can't make that. I see. Like that. And then there's a cave down here. Oh, there is. Ooh. Strange diamond. Very strange, but even more valuable. Oh, there's a lot. They already have a lot of silky sand. Oh, right there. More strange diamond? I'll take it. Alright, nothing over here. Let's go up here. Let's see what's here. Oh. Why not? I guess we're just gonna be collecting some of these. Collecting all the supplies. Back tank. Nice. Now we can get an extra tank. Please make it. They made it. Oh! That guy just jumped off the edge. They'll be fine. Trust me. Okay, what's up over here? Nothing there. Ooh. Ooh, what is this place? I don't know, but I can hear one of those things. Starlugmite. This thing, I can hear him. I feel at home here. When I traveled across the glass desert, it was caves just like this one that gave me shelter and allowed me to survive my trek. Just feeling walls around me and solid ground beneath my feet gave me all the security I needed to close my eyes and make it through another night. But can do without some of it. Like if I ever even smell roasted cactus again, I'm pretty sure I burn. Alright. Wait, is this where I think it is? I think we've been here before. In a different episode. Yeah, it's right here. Alright. So there was this way that we didn't go to. I remember. So, let's take a gander over here and see what's here. Don't go in the lava. Oh, okay. Oh, that's just you guys popping out. Okay, that wasn't very nice. Whoa! The volcano's right here. More fire, guys. A briar hen. Alright. I'm just gonna steal all these chickens, because why not? Any more chickens? Probably up here. Can't believe there's like greens here. Okay, we don't need any of that. Let's see one of those collectible things. Just go grab that real quick. Oh, parkour. Insane. Okay, messed that up. Magma pool. There's nothing like a hot reaction so in the magma pool. If you're a fire slime. Ah, well damn. I guess we can't go into it. Whoa, I heard chicken. What is bro doing down there? Okay, I can't get him though, because he's a different kind. Oh. Well, I guess I do need chickens, because that guy only eats chickens. Well, damn. I don't know if it'll be easy to find them. Why don't we just head all the way up here and see what we can find? Okay, we found one of these. I never managed to conclude if the prisma waves caused all this lava to erupt to the surface, but I believe it did. The rainbow grass and iridescent rocks, all lovely to see in this ecosystem, seems to coexist with it to some degree. But this lava, this is the breaking point. My guess it started like this, like it always does. Crease up on a few degrees over the years, and you hardly notice, and then one day you realize you're cooking. Okay, I wish I had a dog to pet right now. Okay. Anyways, I saw this. So there we go. Nice. Okay, there's a guy right there, but he only eats meat. No way. Medium palm. I'm gonna need a lot of chickens. If I want to get through here. What's back there? It's just a circle. There you go, big guy. Why did dude have to sit right in front of the door? Like, that's kind of mean. Anyways, I don't know where to go next. Where else can we go? To explore this place, we can't get through there. Up here, maybe? Why not? I can close my map. There we go. Okay, so we were on the edge of the mountain that we were just looking at. And let's see what's over here. Oh. Another guy? Veggie though, so that'll be easier. I'm gonna jump through that waterfall. Don't ask why. Definitely did not know this was here. Okay, I might have knew this was here. But it's kind of cool. Okay, so we need a bat, tabby, and boom. The only reason I know this is here is because I have seen the new update that they posted on their page. So, let's grab these and I'll meet you guys when we grab them. Okay guys, so we have collected every single part we need. The bat, tabby, and boom. And let's go. Oh, it's like a winter themed. Okay, can I make this jump? Yes, I can. Nice. Okay. A portal? Alright. Let's just head through. Powderfall Bluffs, eh? What's down here? Something right up here. God dang. Okay. Gonna make it up there. And I can't make it up there. Alright. So. I think I need more energy to make it up there so I can have a longer range distance. You know what? I'm just gonna not. Let's just go the normal way. These. Oh, they're phosphorus slimes, but like it's winter. Oh, like they all are in snow. Whoa, this is cool. Is there any new slimes? Or maybe not? I'm stuck on that bridge. I guess you can walk on these. What are these chickens doing? Where does this go? And what is that? Perfect snowflake. Oh shoot! Okay, nice. Nice. Okay, head up here. Whoa. That's cool. A lot of ice. Okay, what else is up here? What is this? Thundercluck slimes? And what is that? A saber slime? I think you guys were in the other game, but you couldn't, like, get them. Oh. Thunder Chickaroo. That's a cool place. Oh, jeez. Is that another portal? Okay, what does Saber Sons eat? Meat? Oh, of course it is. Ooh. What's this? Oh. Just a bunch of mad guys. Don't tell me this just goes back outside. No way. We got like a chicken place. Is that all it is? Just a chicken farm? see one of those secret things over here. Or it was one of those. Ooh. Found one right here. Nice. Chili slime stack. I think it's turning nighttime. Alright. How to get up there? What? I don't know if I can make that. Okay. Nice. Rocks. What is a rock slime doing here? And a bunch of bunnies. More chickens. I guess I don't need perfect snowflakes right now. Okay, you just ate that. I needed that, you know. Yep, I just saw it. There we go. Got half of the place done. Now we just need the other half. Ooh, chicken. Okay, I know 7 chickens will not be enough for the guy, but it's a start. So, I guess I'm just gonna grind chickens, and I'll meet you guys when I'm finished. I finally gathered enough, and now, let's feed this big boy. Alright, come on. No! 30 chickens this man just ate? In a row? What? There's no way, right? There's no way. 25 chickens, and if this doesn't... Oh my goodness, you only need like a bit more. Thank God. Whoa, 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 what is that? Sunsap? What is that? That's a new material. I don't know what that is. Okay, what is this? Wait, where are we? You're joking. It's just another teleporter to the same place. I wasted all that time hunting down chickens, and it's not even that good, the outcome. Nah, bro. Oh, these guys are here. Alright. I'll meet you guys back at the base, and then we might end it off there. Never mind. You know what, let's just grab... Oh, you know what? I was about to cut the video, but let's just grab this. Okay, now I'm gonna cut the video. Okay, guys. So, we're just gonna head over here. Gonna place down a new coral. Get high walls. And a roof. And we're gonna mix the saber slimes with pinks, because there's nothing else to do. There's nothing else to mix. pretty sure I had... Yeah, I have 4 pink points. Why do they jump so much? Okay. Now I'm gonna add here a garden. I'm gonna have a garden there. Then right here, we're gonna have a coop. And... Sure. And let's just leave these guys in here. And there we go. Now we got a coop. We're gonna put a carrot in that at some point. But now we're good. We did a lot this episode. That's fine. So, I think that's where I'm gonna end it. We've explored a new area. Got, like, basically everything in there. And yeah. So, after this, I think I'm gonna end it. We got 4. Hello, Beatrix. I wanted to tell you that I've cracked another one of the AI's ciphers. It had clearly adapted to my previous solve and created something even more complex. Clever. This time, the code revealed a set of instructions for back and forth communication, so I have been spending my time talking to it. It asks a lot of questions. After getting to know me, it has been asking me a lot about my work, almost like it's feeling out the areas of my expertise. I must admit, it has all been rather flattering. I'm used to be the one asking the questions. For a while, my whole life was questions, and the research that followed. Having experienced that for so long, I feel as I can sense the same in others. And though this may seem strange, I sense this in the AI. You see, when I began asking questions of my own, the way it responded to me, it felt like it was trying to guard itself, to hide profound loneliness that it has within its heart. Strange, I know, it is an AI after all. But who is it to say that any form of intelligence wouldn't desire a connection to another? I feel there is more to the story, and if not, I'm happy to have simply been there for my new friend, to continue asking questions so that they have reasons to find answers. I'll report back later. Okay. Well, nice. Bia, I've been trying to get a hold of you. I've analyzed one of the drones. You have been finding all of that island, and I know why it seems familiar to me. It's mine, or at least it's one that I've seen before in my dreams anyway. After I look at the scans I took of it, I knew it was familiar, so I began looking through some old slime science journals of mine. These journals are mostly future projects, but sometimes they speculative technology. You know me, I'm always thinking about 6 steps ahead to keep Mochi Tech on top of the industry. Well, sometimes I come up with the impossible, stuff that I may never engineer in my lifetime. Well, those drones you're finding are exactly that. Impossible with today's technology, and taken right from the pages of my journals. There's something I saw in a dream view. I saw how a bunch of impossible drones are designed in a dream find their way to the pages, from the pages from my journals to Rainbow Island. Maybe there's some kind of archive in them we can unlock to learn more. I know they contain catalogs, but if it were me, well, I would always know how to find a way to hold it back when I need to. Okay, B, I need some time to think of this. I'll let you know if I come up with anything. Maybe I'll sleep on it. Okay, 2 more. Beatrix, I'm glad you called. I looked over the pics you sent me of Rainbow Island. No doubt there is light to behold. Beautiful, with colors that only go richer the longer you look. But unnatural too. I'm sorry, but something about that place is not right. As you may recall, I was the head of a very successful Instafood corporation. Genetically altering food was our specialty. I'm not proud of the lengths we went to alter natural food to grow bigger, faster, and cheaper, to strip all of its good stuff in flavor and profits. I say this, Beatrix, because I can still spot a plant that has been naturally altered when I see it, and the beautiful rainbows you see before you on that island did not arrive there naturally. It is not clear to me if this spells any sort of danger for you, but if it gives me an uneasy feeling in my stomach, I need to do more research and I'll get back to you. Stay safe, amiga. Amiga? Well now, if it's Beatrix Liberu, all Hobby and I were just talking about you. Word is you went off parts unknown of this here rock with the thirst of a new venture. Atta girl, you just keep on walking to see what new wonders are around the next corner until your boots have holes, and then get yourself some new boots and do it some more. Meanwhile, my boots have seen better days, but I know there's an adventure or two left in them. I suppose I just need to figure out what. Oh heck, I'm rambling just like a Hobson does after he starts talking about exploring the cosmos, cooking, or pretty much any other topic. Alright, Bia, you hang in there. I'll be calling to check in on you. It doesn't matter who you are, we'll all start feeling... Doesn't matter who you are, we'll all start feeling it when home is beyond the horizon. Oh, and before I forget, here's a little something for you to spruce up your new place. It ain't much, but you need to do what you can to make your place feel cozy. A taming bell? Very cozy. Okay. So that is where I'm gonna end it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.